Hello everybody, this is Nagarajan working as an assistant professor in MAM School of Engineering Trichy, aggregated by NAC, approved by AICT New Delhi, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. So today we are going to see about the blood cell counters. Okay, blood cell counters. So first of all, we should know what are the compositions of the blood. Okay, because here it is given only as blood cell counters. Okay, so in blood, what are the cells are available and what are the things to be considered in the blood cell counting, and why it should be maintained in the defined value. If it reduces less than that, what happens, and if it goes beyond that, what happens, what are the things is going to happen, everything we are going to discuss. Okay, so why blood cell counting is necessary? Okay, what is the use of blood cell counting? So blood cell counting is done initially um, at the time of patient admissions to find out the nature of illness. Okay, to find out the nature of illness, and also uh, if the nature of illness, if the blood cell is uh, reduces, then the transportation of chemical substances and oxygen and various agents to the parts of, to all parts of the body will get collapsed. So in order to maintain everything, the above said 2 points, we have to maintain the blood cell count. Okay, and to a complete blood cell, okay, it is count. Okay, to complete a blood cell count, the commonly called test is called as CTC test. Okay, commonly called as CTC test, CBC test. CBC is complete blood count. Okay, that CBC test. In that CBC test, what are the things we are going to find out is red blood cells, RBCs. Okay, how many red blood cells are there in our body, and how many white blood cells are in our body, and how many hemoglobin contents are there. Okay, hemoglobin and platelets. Okay, platelets are there. So usually these four parameters will be measured in the CBC test. Okay, so it will this information will give the overall health condition and detect the wide range of disorders in the sense that is amnesia, sorry, amin, anemia, anemia, then leukemia, then fat. Okay, so these things will be found out. Fine. So now this blood test, okay, can be conducted to find out the variety of reasons. Okay, to find out the variety of reasons. First one is to review our overall health condition. Okay, to review our overall health condition. Okay, and first they will check the number of RBC, WBC, platelets. Okay, it should be uh, under the count. Okay, it should be in the desired count for our age group. Okay, next one is to diagnose a medical condition. To diagnose the medical condition. Okay, so if the blood cells are very low, then we will experience weakness, fatigue, then fever, inflammation, and even blushings or bleedings. Okay, blushings or bleedings. Okay, so these are the complete blood cell, how the diagnosis of the signs and symptoms. This will help the doctors to give the correct treatments. Okay. Then also to monitor the health condition. Okay, also to monitor the health condition, and because if this type of test is going to be a mandatory if once you got an hereditary problem in the sense diabetic and similar to that. Okay. Also to monitor medical treatments also. Okay, monitor treatments. Okay, that is medicines taking continuously for a particular disease, everything. Okay, then what we have to do is next we have to go for the ranges. Okay, so for a complete blood cell count test, the number of RBCs, okay, the number of RBCs will be, yeah, the blood cells number of RBCs will be between 4.35 to 5.65 trillion cells per liter. Okay, trillion cells per liter. It is for male, and female it is 3.92 to 5.13 trillion cells count. Okay. Then hemoglobin it for male it should be 13.2 to 16.6 grams. Okay, no, sorry, 132 to 166 grams per liter for male, and for female it should be from 116 to 150 grams per liter. Then hemocritic it should be 38.3 to 48.6 percentage for male, and for female it should be 35.5 to 44.9 percentage. Okay, now next WBC count. Okay, it is common, that is it is a wide range, 3.4 to 9.6. Okay, cells, billion cells per liter. Then platelet counts, for male it is 135 to 317 billion per liter, and for female it is 157 to 371 billion per liter. Okay, so here these are the amounts, that desired amount to be present in a male and female and in for an adult. Okay, next one is how much amount of blood will be there in our body. Okay, normally in human body there will be 5 to 6 liters of blood. Okay, so 45% of the blood contains blood cells, and the remaining 55% contains plasma fluid. Okay, so 55 is for plasma, and plasma is a very important fluid for the fluidity of the blood. Okay, if this count is going reduced, then our blood will be looking like a gel. If this count is going to be very high, then our blood will be looking as very with very low viscosity. Okay, with very low viscous. So it should be maintained in this range, 55%. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about the types of blood cell counters. First thing we are going to find out hematocrit determination. Okay, hematocrit determination. Next, manual method. Next, conductivity method. It is also called as Coulter method. And finally, laser based cell counting. Laser based cell counting. So in the next class we will discuss about the hematocrit determination. Okay. Thank you for the patient listening.